Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in this huge package. And it is big. It's probably 3 inches deep and probably 14 inches across. So yeah, let me get this out of the bag. Oh my goodness gracious. And of course, it's encased in plastic. Oh my goodness gracious. Let me move a couple of things here. We don't want to get stabbed. This package comes from NewCraftDay. And if they have any specials or discount codes, or if I have any, it'll be right in here. So let's just dig in and see what we have here. Can't believe it's all wrapped in plastic. That's outrageous. Haven't seen that in a while. Okay. We get this off. Then we can go from there. As you can see, this is a spring kit, and it is one that I have wanted for a while. Okay, let me pull you up. That's about as far as that's going to go. So, yeah, let me turn this over. It must weigh 5 pounds. And this is the picture. Oh my goodness gracious. It is 250 centimeters by 107 centimeters. That's 995 stitches by 397 stitches. Now let's see if we can get the box open. Okay, hang on. Okay, got it open. There's a little tab that holds everything. Well, and I thought that part was going to be easy. Okay. Oh, I see. It just opens from the end. Ugh. Yeah, so we got a few things in here. Just a few. We have a bag, an extra bag of thread. This kit was $95.40. So it is huge. And it is cotton thread. Let me get rid of the bag after I make sure that everything is out of the box. So, yeah. We got a few things to go over. But I want to get to the pattern book. It does come with instructions on how to start, how to finish. We'll get rid of that. But it does have a lovely booklet. And it is 11 count. Very well printed. There's going to be back stitching everywhere. There are no beads to this. And it has a total of 90 colors. Now let me, okay, it's at the first page. There we go. So we have full stitch, we have quarter stitch, and we have back stitch. Okay. That's different. Huh. And we have 89 colors in full stitch, 5 colors in quarter stitch, and 7 colors in back stitch. So let's see what the colors are. And they are not in order. Well, that's special and swell. So, we have 310 black. I'm scanning through these numbers. We have 666 red. I don't like when they do this. And we have B5200. We have that pewter color 3799. And there are no mixed stitches in this. Let me look. back here. No mixed stitches. And I'm not sure about the symbols, but I think, you know, I just don't know. We'll have to look maybe on the canvas. I was going to say the top numbers are for the canvas and the bottom is for the other, but it's not that way at all. I mean, as far as I can see here. But very nicely printed booklet. Back here, it is separated into 52 sections. So each page has a section, and it is numbered so at the bottom. So it's very easy to see where you're working if you're looking for a certain symbol. So I don't know if these symbols will be the same on the canvas or not, but just a beautiful, well illustrated pattern. And I will hold this just right here so you can grasp what it looks like. We got ladies doing everything. We have pillows, we have flowers, we have green plants, we have lanterns, we have ladies. There's a lot of red in this. Wow. Lots and lots and lots. And I don't know if that's a bonsai tree or not, but yeah. I thought it was cool. We even have a cat. This lady's holding a cat and they're playing either Go or Mahjong. I think it's Go. But yeah, we even have teapots and just lots and lots and lots of elements. So I'm going to set this aside and we're going to attempt, I say, to look at the threads. So you have 2 great big bags with extra threads, and the number from the thread card is right here on each one of these skeins. And I believe they're all pre-cut. Yeah, I see lots of ends here, so you can open up one and put it back on the thread card if you like. But just hordes and hordes of colors. Just absolutely stunning. Lots of greens, tans, oranges, reds. But yeah, there the numbers for the thread card is there, not the DMC. The DMC are listed in that booklet as I read before. So let's see what we have here. We have regular thread cards. It comes with 4 needles. 4 needles and 3 thread cards. And that is a hunk of thread. This is a partial. You do not do the background. So, yay. Because, yeah, there'd be like 500 more skeins of some color. Look at those purples. Beautiful blues, purples, pinks, peaches, salmons, dark blues. There's your 310 black. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Just stunning. Just absolutely a stunning, stunning kit. We have pale blues, some more oranges, greens in various shades, browns. Just absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So a wide array of colors. Just stunning. I just love that peacock blue. I don't know what color that number that is, but it's beautiful. Now see, that almost looks like 550 purple, but I don't think so. But, you know, I kind of think so, but yet on the other hand, I don't think so. Let's get to the canvas, which is packaged in its own plastic bag. It is on that tan Ada again. Now, I will not be able to measure this, nor will I be able to show it all. Oh, that's lighter than I thought, so there is a lot. I'm trying to figure out if I can just lay that over. It's fairly wide, being 100 centimeters, but just stunningly printed, nice and bright. Okay, here we go. Holding, please. Oh, crap. Hang on. I gotta have some room. Yeah. I just wanted to show you how well it's printed. I'll hold it as still as I can. Nice and darkly printed, unlike Watertown Memory. It was kind of faint, but this seems to be very, very nice, very well printed. I want to look at the key. Oh God, if I can. I don't know that that's humanly possible, because the, hang on. Oh God. Hold, please. Okay, I'm back. I wanted to get a hold of the key. So the key runs along the whole thing of the bottom. But I wanted to see color number 88. Okay, this key will not match the canvas at all. Now it does, no, it doesn't. It does not match. So you have your own separate key for the canvas. But I have not had a problem with a kit yet that I can't figure out what the symbol is. So, yeah. But I wanted to check that so I wasn't saying it wrong. But I can't believe how darkly printed this is. And you're going to have some very big, big areas. Somewhere along here, I am going to put a picture of this when I lay it all out. And that way you can see the whole thing in its entirety. But I am very impressed at how darkly that is printed. But this seems like it's a lighter color. And I don't remember what they call it. Antique silk. Yeah, that's why I ordered Watertown Memory, was because I'm like, silk? Gonna stitch on silk? Yeah, well, when I got it, it was that darker look. So, yeah. So be wary. But it's all Ada. Just saying for a friend. So, yeah, I am very, very impressed by this. And, yeah, it's going to take a hot moment to stitch on this. I'm just going to hold this in my lap for right now. Sorry about my desk. But, yeah, it needs cleaning. And, of course, you know, this had to come off because that's what it does. It sticks to everything except for the desk. Oh, goodness. Thank you, NewCraftDay, for this beautiful kit. Now, this is part 1 of my review for NewCraftDay, and you'll see that in the beginning. Now, they do have, I'll have part 2 this afternoon at 1. So join me for Stitch With Me. We're going to start this. I have no idea which side I'm going to start on. Top, bottom, I'm not real sure. We're just going to wing it by then, right? Now, they do have diamond painting cross stitch, paint by number. They have beaded cross stitch. They have silk cross stitch. They carry all the name brands that we've all been looking at for a couple of years. And they always have a great variety, great prices. So do check them out. And thank you everyone for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.